check this out. I've been waiting on this package all week. I wasn't even gonna do an application today. We're saving this for later, for the next episode. Favorite liquid iron, it is juiced with a little bit of nitrogen to get that iron going. It's got micronutrients in here, humic acid, fulvic acid. I really like products that allow me to apply one thing and I get about 3 or 4 different things out of it. So this is Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Energizer. I use this for a nice pick-me-up, and like I told you in my last lawn care video, we are going to start preparing for my Mother's Day special, meaning it needs a little bit of iron to get to that dark green blue. JACTO PJB 16, halfway filled up already. This stuff is really easy to apply. If you buy the big container like this, guess what? You can easily pour it into the smaller containers. The application rate for my backpack sprayer is 4 fluid ounces per gallon of water. I'm doing 4 gallons of water across my 3,200 square feet, and we will be doing the max rate of 4 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Let's get it. All right, so we're all sprayed up. This is what the color looks like now today. I'm gonna give you a little quick tour. So we have something to compare it to. I'm gonna try to come back around the same time of the day. It's about what, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock right now. So we'll come back around this time and we can show you the results. And keep in mind, this is just the first application of iron. So we'll bring you back in about 3 days to mow this up. All right, stay tuned. Thank you for hanging in there with me. Look, we're back and I know you see it. Yeah, so we applied the iron application, the Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Energizer. Got micronutrients, iron in there. We did that application on Saturday evening. It is now Wednesday afternoon. And boy, look at this color. And then we got over here, the side plot, we got a burnout from the Dismiss NXT, finishing killing some grassy weeds for me. We actually got a few patches up front. It looks terrible, but look, trust the process. We're gonna tap her with a little bit of nitrogen to help her push a little bit of growth so we can get that out of there in time for the Mother's Day special. But let's check out look at this Aneuw real quick. So what I think is happening, right? I think it's suppressing it to a point that what's really going on is it suppresses the Poa trivialis to allow my good turf to fill in. That way, when the summer comes, it's not going to be such a dramatic burnout. I got $10 on it. I got $10 on it that this Poa trivialis is not dead. Let me know what your bet is down in the comments below. I bet that it's not dead, but I think that it's suppressing it enough to where it's not going to be nearly as dramatic as it would be had I not done the Aneuw. So long-term plan, buying the bag, the full big bag of it, that, man, you can get about 3 years out of that app. So it's definitely cheaper than rolling with sod, and it's definitely cheaper than burning out your whole lawn and reseeding the whole thing. So far, I think it's a tool worth keeping around. Let's go around to the front. The Dallas grass that I sprayed out, there was a patch here. And what the Dismiss NXT does for me with the Dallas grass is very similar to what I'm looking for with the Poa trivialis. It doesn't quite kill it, but it suppresses it so much that my good turf is able to fill in. All these spots is where I've had Dallas grass spread out to. So we're in good shape when it comes to that. We're looking good. I know it looks a little ugly right now, but sometimes you gotta hurt the one you love to get to where you're trying to be. So let's go ahead and give her a nice clean mow and then get on with the show. Okay, so we're all mowed up, guys, and I mean, I laugh because I put a lot of hard work into this lawn over the course of 2 years now, and it's just really nice to see the hard work paying off. You all know it's about time for me to leave here. I'll be sharing that location with you here in the near future. But one application, I don't even think I went max rate. I don't even remember. If I'm wrong, but this is the first application. So now we're not about to apply more iron. Don't do that. Over applying iron is a real thing. You'll turn your lawn black. What I'm looking at about to do is I want to feed the soil and feed the microbes. So I have a different product that I want to apply to do that, and I'm gonna share that with you. So you guys always have seen me apply Hydretain. If you're new to the channel, Hydretain is pretty freaking amazing. It's good in both lawn and garden. I will show you how that works, especially in the garden this season. But if you have areas that don't get a lot of water, drought, you know, you're susceptible to drought depending on where you place those plants, this is some pretty cool technology that is not OMRI listed, but I promise you it's safe. It's safe, I promise you. All right, so anyway, this is what we're gonna apply. We're gonna apply Bio-MP. It's a 532, and I'm happy that we got a nice low dose of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus in here because, you know, you throw too much nitrogen on your lawn right when you're about to creep into a fungus-prone environment, when the austere environment, your austere conditions are conducive of producing some type of fungus. I tend to pull the nitrogen way back, and then I bag my clippings so I can increase that airflow. So you apply this stuff at 6 to 15 ounces, diluted into 2 to 2.5 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet. So that's pretty simple. We're gonna mix this up. I think, yeah, I'm gonna use the JACTO just because it's gonna be easy and I'm losing sun, and it's the easy button. So let's get it done. All right, guys, so we got her all sprayed out. We are good to go. When we come back, we will be making our second light dose application of iron. Like I said, I don't want to throw too much iron down too quick, too fast, too soon, because your lawn can get too much and it will go black. And the reason why I do liquid iron applications is because I need it. Like with my soil being deficient in phosphorus, there's a second and third order effect that goes along with that when it comes to some micronutrients. And this is me correcting that along the way. Be patient, trust the process. And again, I thank you for checking in with me for another episode of Turf Therapy with Real Healing Lawn and Souls. And I'll see you next time for your weekly dose of therapy with Rob. Peace.